everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian pasta, and this is the pasta I'm going to use. It's called Gemelli organic pasta, and I'm going to make it with paneer, creamy Alfredo sauce, Parmesan cheese, garlic, ginger, green chili, spices from masala dabba, and parsley flake. I always list my ingredient list under my description, so please check it out. The first step will be get a saucepan. We need enough water. Place the cover on. I'll place it on the gas and we're going to let it boil. And once it gets tender, then we're going to drain the water. Then we'll make our delicious pasta. As for the paneer, I'll use a half of it. So this will be the perfect size. So I'll cut up the rest. So paneer cut into cube-sized pieces, garlic, ginger, green chili cut into thin slices. This is my style of cooking, and if you don't like ginger, please skip it. But if you try it, you're going to like it. And let's start making our delicious paneer pasta. As the water started to boil, we're going to check it, and we're going to make sure that once it's nice and tender, that's where we're going to stop it. And it still need more cooking. So let it boil. Make sure that the water don't boil out, so just keep eye on it. The pasta is all ready and I can show it to you. If we look at right now, just be careful, don't burn yourself. It's nice and tender. This is what you need. As you can see, it nicely breaks in. That's what we need. So it's nice and tender. I'm going to let it inside the water. Now we're going to make our tadka. I'll place this one on the back burner. I get a pan. As the oil starts to heat up, first we're going to add ginger. Add garlic and green chili. Mix it. Cook them until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. So cook them like a 20 seconds. This is good enough. And now we're going to add paneer. Mix it well. So keep it moving so that it won't get burned, and keep cooking and bring your gas to medium low. Salt to taste, black pepper, red chili flake. So mix it well. Cook spices along with the paneer for half a minute. This is looking good. And now the pasta, I'm going to drain the water. Once all the water is drained, now I'll bring the pasta. Mix it well. So keep mixing. Once it's nicely combined with all the spices and the paneer, now I'll add creamy Alfredo sauce. And it's always good idea. Get couple tablespoon water, about this much. Close it, shake it well. Don't put too much. This is all good, and now we're going to mix them all. Now bring your gas on high and keep mixing and keep cooking. On high gas, cooking for 3 minutes. This is how it looks. Looking very delicious. And now we're going to add parsley flake and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring Parmesan cheese. Mix it well. Our vegetarian paneer pasta is all ready. I'll turn it off the gas. I have my serving plate ready and I will dish out. Delicious paneer pasta. If you haven't tried with the paneer, please try it and you're going to like it. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy and very tasty and delicious vegetarian pasta, which is paneer pasta, is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.